Happy New Year everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm excited to introduce you to one of if not the most well-known Sichuan dishes, Gong Bao Chicken, Kung Pao Chicken. We all know about this dish, but do you know the meaning of Kung Pao? Actually, just like Colonel Sanders, Gong was the title of a man named Bao in Qing Dynasty, China. It is said that this man, born in Guizhou, went to Shandong and Sichuan as government official, invented this dish. He combined the different styles of stir-fried chicken with local ingredients and created this sweet and spicy flavorful dish. Later, immigrants around the country and around the world modified it into different versions. Famous styles include Shandong, Guizhou, Guangdong. The American style that's served in Panda Express is actually modified Cantonese style Kung Pao Chicken, as the dish is brought here by Cantonese immigrants. The version I want to introduce to you today is the OG Sichuan version, also known as the Imperial version. Here's the ingredients list of the dish. One thing you might wonder, where are the vegetables or doubanjiang? Well, there's no other veggies in the OG Kung Pao Chicken. The chicken is mainly enjoyed with the peanuts and green onion. I use skinless, boneless chicken thigh here. In terms of the size of the chicken, many restaurants or recipes cut them too big. It should be cut into very small dices. They should be as big as your pinky nail or the same size of the peanuts in the dish. So the prep is fairly easy. Roughly chop the garlic and ginger, and just remember, dice all the chicken, green onion, and cut the dried chili into the same size. Next up, we marinate the chicken. Add in light and dark soy sauce, some Shaoxing wine. I like to mix in a bit of Sichuan peppercorn oil to enhance the citrusy scent and tingly sensation. The next step is to fry the peanuts to be crispier. Take a pan, drizzle some oil, and coat the peanuts and slowly roast them to crispy. This step takes some time and you need to keep an eye on the peanut to not burn them. You may also roast the peanut in an oven, but this is the traditional way. If you skip the step, the peanuts will become soft when you mix in with the sauce. And now we make the signature sauce that makes the dish Kung Pao. In Chinese cooking technical term, the correct flavor profile of Kung Pao is described as burnt chili lychee flavor. To explain, the chili should be slightly burnt and the lychee flavor is referred as lightly sweet and sour and savory. It is said to imitate the flavor of lychee, but in practice, the sour flavor should be a little bit more pronounced than sweetness. If you know how to make the sauce, you can make many other dishes such as Kung Pao shrimp, tofu, mushroom, and etc. It's a very likable and versatile sauce. I use potato starch at the end to make the sauce slightly thicken when heated. After we've prepped everything, now it's the stir-frying part. The most difficult part is to make sure the chili is fried to the perfect fragrance without being too burnt. You also need everything at hand since timing is very important. One tip is to put the chili and Sichuan peppercorn in while the oil is still cold and slightly heat up using medium heat. One sign to look for is when the chili is slightly puffed up and turned a little bit dark red. It is then time to put in the ginger, garlic, and white scallion parts along with the chicken. Break apart the chicken pieces and stir-fry the chicken with the chili will allow maximum burnt chili flavors to be attached to the chicken, constantly turning and stirring until it's 90% cooked. Now we pour in the sauce and mix thoroughly. Toss in the peanuts and green scallion for about seconds and we can plate. The whole stir-frying takes less than 5 minutes. Now you can smell the super fragrant sweet black vinegar and burnt chili flavor. Make you want to bury your face in it. The dish, of course, is best served with rice. Use a spoon to scoop everything together. You can taste the mouth-watering sauce, the tender chicken, the slightly burnt but flavorful chili, and the crispy peanuts. Perfect bite in one spoon. I hope you like it and definitely give the recipe a try. Thanks for all the support for my video, and I'll definitely make more videos in 2023. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also follow my Instagram where I post everything I cook and eat. Happy New Year and thanks for watching. See you next time.